Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to export video in Wondershare Filmora video editing software. Here is a video that I have edited using Filmora Wondershare. I would like to export this clip, and what you have to do, go to the top right side of the screen, and here you will see export button. Just click on export, and it will ask you to log in with your Wondershare ID, or even you can create Wondershare ID newly using this link. Or if you have already have Wondershare ID but you have forgotten your password, using this link you can reset your password. Okay, or also you can log in with your Gmail or Facebook or Twitter. So here I just give Gmail, and it is a going waiting. We have opened a new browser tab for you to log in. See, so you have to select the email ID for signing into Wondershare. I have selected this email ID and click on open. Yes, it is success. You are now logged in, and go to the software, and it's still waiting here. Okay, so after successful login, you can easily able to export your edited video. Success, you are logged in. Continue this process in the software interface. So you have to wait a few minutes more here to completely log in. Yes, this dialog box appeared, and here you can select the location where your exported file should be stored. So select here and select the drive. You can select any drive, or you can even select a folder within a drive. So here I give new volume E and new folder. Okay, select the folder, and the new folder, it will be stored. Okay, and click on export. Before that, you can here select the resolution. By default, the basic resolution, that is resolution already uh, already in your video, that will be shown here. Suppose if you would like to reduce, as you can do it, but don't increase, it will affect quality. And here format, you can select a mp4 or wmv, avi, etc. So mp4 is best, and quality is here medium. Keep it as medium, and 50 fps is shown. That is the original source frame per second. Okay, click here advanced, so that you can change some other things like frame rate as well. Clicking here, you can select other frame per second. Suppose if you'd like to reduce, use it. Suppose wrongly it is showing, then you can select the right one. But in my case, I have already shooted this video with 50 fps. That's exactly showing here, so we won't change it unless otherwise required. And click on apply finally, and click on export, and it will be exported to the drive or folder you have selected. Okay, here two things are available before purchasing this Wondershare Filmora this watermark will be shown at the end of your video. So export with watermark, it is free. Suppose if you purchase no watermark, high quality resources over 1 lakhs, you can use speech to text, text to speech feature available. So these are all other features available. So you can click on purchase if you think this software is good for you. I now go with export with watermark. So click on it so that it will be exported, and yes, progress will be shown here like a preview. So yes, completed, and yes, successfully it is exported. Okay, you can see it in the folder you have selected. So go to the folder, so D folder, and then what is called new folder, and see, this is the video. Okay, so in this way you can easily export video using